Slightly securing other things. But now, with some semblance of peace coming in and people cooperating with us, we have been able to catch a lot of drugs in the meanwhile. With the Honorable Prime Minister's initiative as well as Home Minister's directive, we have been always fighting against these drugs and carrying out several this thing. We are also in touch with NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau, and their officers do come here. We hold regular meetings, and then we see that the big cases, we have also handed over some of the major important cases which have networks throughout the country to the NCB, and NCB has taken up those cases and the investigation is carrying on in the right spirit. There is a process and program of disposing of these drugs at various intervals. About every 6 months we assemble here only. We have a facility here which helps us in disposing the drugs so that it is not leaked out or it is not pilferaged and it doesn't go back into the society. This drug menace does affect the entire future generations, so we are very serious about it, and I am
This is a passport.